Welcome to my channel Maths Tutor. Exercise 8.2 Profit and Loss. Question number 1, part 1. Find the selling price if the cost price of an article is rupees 1050 and profit is equal to 10%. We know that selling price is equal to CP into 100 plus profit percent over 100. It is equal to CP, that is 1050, into 100 plus profit percent, 100 plus 10, that is 110 over 100, and it comes out to be 1155 rupees. Part 2, find selling price if CP is 2700 rupees and there is loss of 7%. Now in case of loss, we know that selling price is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent over 100. So SP is equal to CP 2700 into 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus 7, that is 93 over 100, and it comes out to be rupees 2511. Question number 2, part 1. Find the cost price if selling price is equal to 848 rupees and there is profit of 6%. Now we know that cost price is equal to SP into 100 over 100 plus profit percent. It is equal to SP 848 into 100 over 100 plus profit percent, 100 plus 6, that is 106, and CP comes out to be 800 rupees. Part 2, selling price is equal to 1692 rupees and there is loss of 10%. Now we know that in case of loss, cost price is equal to SP into 100 over 100 minus loss percent. So it is equal to 1692 into 100 over 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus 10, that is 90, and it comes out to be 1880 rupees. Question number 3. Mohan gains 15% by selling an article for rupees 1610 rupees. Find the cost price of the articles. Now we know that cost price of the article is selling price, that is 1610 into 100 over 100 plus gain percent, 100 plus 15, that is 115, and it comes out to be 1400 rupees. Part 2, find the total gain. Now total gain is equal to SP, selling price 1610 minus CP 1400, and it is equal to 210 rupees. Question number 4. A man loses 8% by selling an article for rupees 1449. Find the cost price of the article. Now we know that cost price is equal to selling price into 100, 1449 into 100 over 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus 8, that is 92, and it comes out to be 63 into 25 is equal to 1575 rupees. So there is loss of CP minus SP 1575 minus 1449 is equal to 126 rupees. Question number 5. A man bought a wristwatch for rupees 1350 rupees. So CP of the wristwatch is 1350 rupees. He spent rupees 50 on repair and sold it at a profit of 15%. Find the selling price of the wristwatch. Now total CP of the wristwatch is equal to CP, that is 1350, plus money spent on repair, that is 50, so it is equal to 1400 rupees. And now we know that selling price is equal to CP 1400 into 100 plus profit percent, 100 plus 15, 115 over 100, and it comes out to be 1610 rupees. Question number 6. A man bought a calculator for rupees 1100 and spent rupees 79 on its cover and battery and loses 10%. Find the selling price of the calculator. Now total CP of the calculator is equal to 1100 plus 79, that is 1179 rupees, and selling price, we know that CP into 100 minus loss percent, that is 100 minus 10, 90 over 100, and it comes out to be 10,611 over 10, that is 1061.10 rupees. Question number 7. A man sells his mobile for 558 rupees and he loses 7%. If he needs a profit of 6%, then for how much he should sell it? So first of all, in this question we will find the cost price of the mobile. Now we know that cost price is equal to selling price into 100 over 100 minus loss percent. It is equal to 558 into 100 over 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus 7, that is 93, and the CP of the mobile comes out to be 600 rupees. Now CP is 600 and he needs a profit of 6%. So now we will find the selling price of the articles. To get a profit of 6%, selling price, we know that CP 600 into 100 plus profit percent, 100 plus 6, that is 106 over 100. So he should sell the mobile for 636 rupees to have a gain of 6%. Question number 8. The shopkeeper loses 15% by selling the dining table for rupees 10,200 rupees. If he sells the same dining table for 12,240 rupees, find his profit or loss percent. Now selling price of the dining table is 10,200 rupees and there is a loss of 15%. So from this we will find the cost price of the dining table, that is equal to SP into 100 over 100 minus loss percent, and it is equal to 10,200 into 100 over 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus 15, that is 85, and it comes out to be 12,000 rupees. So cost price of the dining table is 12,000 rupees, and now he sells the dining table for 12,240 rupees. So there is a gain of 12,240 minus 12,000, that is 240 rupees, and gain percent. We know that gain percent is equal to gain 240 over CP, that is 12,000 into 100, and it comes out to be 2%. So there is a gain of 2%. Question number 9. A man sold a tape recorder at a gain of 8%. The gain would have been 10% if the tape recorder had been sold for rupees 35 more. So selling price of the tape recorder at a gain of 10% minus selling price of the tape recorder at a gain of 8% is rupees 35, because the difference in the selling price is rupees 35. Now selling price at a gain of 10% is equal to cost price of the tape recorder into 100 plus 10% over 100 minus CP into 100 plus 8% over 100 is equal to 35. So now CP we will take common. So 100 plus 10, 110 over 100 minus 100 plus 8, 108 over 100 is equal to 35, or 110 minus 108, that is 2 over 100 into CP is equal to 35, and we get cost price of the tape recorder is equal to 35 into 100 over 2, that is 1,750 rupees. Question number 10. A TV set is sold for rupees 11,000 and at a gain of 10%, and a VCR is sold for rupees 9,785 and at a loss of 5%. Number 1. Find the cost price of the TV. Now we know cost price is equal to selling price into 100 over 100 plus gain percent. So it is equal to 11,000 into 100 over 100 plus gain percent, 100 plus 10, 110, and it comes out to be 10,000 rupees. So cost price of the TV is 10,000 rupees. Part 2. Find the cost price of the VCR. Cost price of the VCR is equal to SP into 100, 9,785 into 100 over 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus 5, that is 95, and it comes out to be 10,300 rupees. Part 3. Find the total SP of both the TV and VCR. So total SP of TV and VCR is 11,000 plus 9,785. It is equal to 20,785 rupees. Total CP of TV and VCR is equal to 10,000 plus 10,300, that is equal to 20,300. So net there is a profit of total SP minus total CP. It is equal to 20,785 minus 20,300, 485 rupees. And profit percent is equal to profit 485 over total CP, that is 20,300 into 100. It is equal to 485 over 203, which is nearly equal to 2.4%.